Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how to manage symptoms of common ailments. There is a quote by Eric Michael Leventhal, "A healer's power stems not from any special ability, but from maintaining the courage and awareness to embody and express the universal healing power of that every human being naturally possesses." I am Dr. Jagajit Singh Virk, MBBS, FCGP, FAMS, PGDGM. What is a common ailment? Common ailments, this is a term referring to common illnesses and issues that do not require laboratory or blood tests and are often too minor for medical clinics to handle. Is the disease an ailment? Differences between illness and disease. Illness can affect the body or mind in a myriad of different capacities. A disease has a specific result on a body part or function. Illness can be a perceived notion of unwellness or derived from self-diagnosis, but the disease must be diagnosed by a medical expert. What are the common diseases in India? The diseases for which maximum health insurance claims are taken include cardiovascular diseases, respiratory diseases, tuberculosis, tumors and malignant diseases, digestive diseases, fever and infections, especially malaria, unintentional injuries, and diarrheal diseases. What are the common illnesses? Common illnesses like allergies, cold and flu, conjunctivitis, diarrhea, headaches, mononucleosis, stomach aches. The most common health conditions are heart disease, cancer, chronic lower respiratory diseases like asthma, emphysema, and chronic bronchitis, obesity, Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, substance abuse, influenza and pneumonia, kidney disease, and mental health conditions. What are the top deadliest diseases? The top 10 deadliest diseases in the world: coronary artery disease, deaths are 15.5%, stroke 11.1% deaths, respiratory illnesses 5.7% deaths, COPD 5.6%, trachea, bronchial, and lung cancers 3%, diabetes 2.8%, Alzheimer's disease 2.7%, diarrhea 2.5%, tuberculosis 2.4%, cirrhosis of the liver 2.1%. What are the minor ailments? Minor ailments are generally defined as medical conditions that will resolve on their own and can be reasonably self-diagnosed and self-managed with over-the-counter medications. Examples of minor ailments include headache, back pain, insect bites, heartburn, nasal congestion, etc. What are physical ailments? A bodily disorder or chronic disease, a stomach ailment. Number 2, unrest, uneasiness, and emotional ailment. What are the common childhood ailments? Here are some of the most telling signs and symptoms of some common childhood illnesses that you are bound to encounter as a parent. respiratory tract infections, ear pain, fainting or syncope, skin infections like eczema, abdominal pain, diarrhea, and vomiting. What are the types of diseases? There are 4 main types of disease, like infectious diseases, deficiency diseases, hereditary diseases, including both genetic diseases and non-genetic hereditary diseases, and physiological diseases. Diseases can also be classified in other ways, such as communicable versus non-communicable diseases. What are the 10 communicable diseases? Information for specific communicable diseases like chickenpox or shingles, ending the HIV epidemic, EHE, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, HIV AIDS, HIV STDs or hepatitis, influenza, mumps, tuberculosis, or pink eye or conjunctivitis. What diseases are viruses? Viruses are responsible for causing many diseases, including AIDS, common cold, Ebola, genital herpes, influenza, measles, chickenpox, and shingles, coronavirus disease 2019, COVID-19. What are the minor ailments of pregnancy? Digestive and food-related disorders, nausea, vomiting, and hyperemesis gravidarum, food dislikes and food cravings, heartburn, constipation, vascular varicosities or varicose veins and hemorrhoids, piles, musculoskeletal joint pains and leg cramps. What are the 10 most deadly diseases in India? Cardiovascular diseases, this amounts to about 24.8% deaths in the country. Respiratory diseases, these diseases account for 10.2% deaths in India. Tuberculosis, 10.1%. Malignant and other tumors, 9.4%. Defined conditions, 5.3%. Digestive diseases, 5.1%. Diarrheal diseases, 5%. Unintentional injuries, 4.6%. Suicidal, 3%. And malaria, 2.8%. Which disease is high in India? Cardiovascular disease, of course. Cardiovascular diseases are a range of conditions that affect your heart. Heart disease, heart failure, congenital heart disease, cardiomyopathies, and aortic stenosis, mitral stenosis, all these are cardiovascular diseases. They are the leading cause of deaths in India. What diseases have no cure? Dementia, including Alzheimer's disease, advanced lung, heart, kidney, and liver disease, stroke and other neurological diseases, including motor neuron disease and multiple sclerosis, Huntington's disease. What are the top 10 incurable diseases? Asthma, AIDS, diabetes mellitus, Creutzfeldt-Jacobs disease, influenza, lupus erythematosus, polio. Poliomyelitis is the often called polio or infantile paralysis. Ebola, EVD is a viral hemorrhagic fever. 9 clinically proven natural remedies for common ailments. Arthritis with green tea, itchy skin and bug bites with oatmeal, cold and congestion, chicken soup, wound healing with honey, hiccups with sugar, constipation, flax seeds, antiemetic ginger, nausea and digestive issues, peppermint, headache, coffee. What are the best natural remedies? Here are the home remedies backed by science. Turmeric for pain and inflammation, chili peppers for pain and soreness, ginger for pain and nausea, shiitake mushrooms for the long game, lavender for migraine and anxiety, mint for muscle pain and digestion, fenugreek for breastfeeding, magnesium-rich foods for everything. What are the examples of natural remedies? A guide to common medicinal herbs, chamomile flower, considered by some to be a cure-all. Chamomile is commonly used in the US for anxiety and relaxation. Echinacea leaf, stalk and root can be used. Feverfew leaf, garlic cloves and root, ginger root, ginkgo leaf, ginseng root, golden seal root and rhizome. What are the 7 holy herbs? For the Druid priest healers, the 7 sacred herbs are clover, tiptia ghas, henbane, mistletoe, homervale, monk's hood, vatsnab, pasque flower, primrose, vervain. This herbal knowledge may go back further than has been thought. Which plants are used as medicine? Medicinal plants such as aloe, tulsi, neem, turmeric, and ginger cure several common ailments. These are considered as home remedies in many parts of the country. It is known fact that lots of consumers are using basil, the tulsi, for making medicines, black tea in puja and other activities in their day-to-day life. Which plant has healing properties? Healing plants you should surround yourself with: aloe vera, English marigold, ginger, ashwagandha, gotu kola, spider plant, snake plant, fiddle leaf fig, ponytail, palm and Boston fern, passion flower and kava. All these. Thank you very much.